Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon Pixma MegaTank G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform cleaning on this device. To do that, you should scroll down, click Maintenance, then scroll down, choose Cleaning here, and just click Yes. Afterwards, your device will clean the printheads. So I have, as you can see, I have no problems. I have perfect results, so I don't need to clean the printheads. Cleaning the printheads, draining your inks. You need to know about it. If cleaning printheads will not help you to resolve problem with your printing quality, you can always perform the show you deep cleaning, and deep cleaning will help you to resolve problem with printing quality. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.